Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we will be using Bubble.io to create our very own web app. Alright, now if you don't know what Bubble.io is, Bubble.io is basically a no-code builder. You can use it without knowing code to build websites and apps, and in this I'll be covering how you do that. Now I myself am actually like a very experienced, like 10 plus year veteran developer. So it's gonna be pretty interesting to see how like this goes. But basically what I'll be doing is I'll be giving you guys um I'll be coming from the perspective of like very experienced developer, used to writing like all the code, doing it for you in Bubble, kind of showing you and explaining to you some of these more tenured concepts. All right, now, but quick reminder, if you guys do want some help with this, if you do want more expert help, email down below, reach out to me and my guys will get whatever app built or whatever feature you want done for you. But without further ado, we'll kind of get into the video. And yeah, I'll kind of just start by explaining like what Bubble.io is. Like I said, it's a no code builder, meaning that you will be able to create your web app, create your website without learning, like without, spending years and years like me, like learning how to write code, right? Or interact with databases or anything like that. You don't need to know anything like that, or, so it would seem it can get pretty complex, but in short, you don't need to know how to write code to create your web app, website, and it allows you to do that. So maybe if you don't have the budget for engineers, or you just like what it's just something quick you want to spin up, then maybe Boba.io will be right for you. Now, a quick little disclaimer, guys. One, it is you can start for free, but it is not free. You do have to pay. Um, you do have to pay money to keep your web app up and running on Bubble. As you can see, it's $29 per month on this on the cheapest, and 199, 349, and then they have, I guess, a more live um, version. Right now, we can go through this whole we'll go through this pricing, but basically you should know that it's like not free, and that like yeah and another thing I want to say to you guys is that like um, even though it is a no code builder and it is very easy to use, and it makes a lot of the concepts that I would otherwise, or some other engineer have to write code for, when once we get into the dicey areas like building a database, creating users, you do have to know some of these concepts, and we will be helping you with some of these concepts, making some apps as we go along the way. But without further ado, let's you do have to know some, you will have to understand some of these concepts, which I'll explain to you guys, which can hopefully make it easier for you as you're building out your own apps. But and so we'll be starting kind of with a little demo up here, that we kind of have had something like you guys would have as your app ideas, right? And we'll be getting started in the next video. As you guys know, I do make these videos kind of like to give you guys the intro to get a part one. This is part one in our first series, so if you do see the next video, just go ahead and click it here, and we'll get started, and give the video a like and a comment if you want that to get it faster. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys.